Before I ever created a real budget, I used to wonder, where does all my money actually go? Every month, it felt like a cycle. Payday came, I felt rich for a day or two, and then suddenly, I was low on cash again, living on leftovers, skipping outings, and stressing about bills. Not because I didn't make enough, but because I didn't have a plan. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most people aren't taught how to budget, and the idea of making one can feel intimidating or even pointless. But I promise you this, with just 30 minutes and a little intention, you can build your very first budget plan. And it might just change everything. Hey there, welcome back to Moneytraq, where every dollar counts. If you're new here, we're building a full personal finance journey from the ground up. And if you've ever felt lost when it comes to managing your money, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking the next big step, creating your first budget that actually fits your real life. No complicated spreadsheets, no confusing software, just a simple method that works. So let's get started. First, grab something to write with. A notebook, your notes app, a whiteboard. Anything works. Step 1. Write down your monthly income after taxes. That's your take-home pay, the money you actually receive in your bank account. This is your foundation. Step 2. Write down your fixed expenses. These are the costs that stay mostly the same every month. Think rent or mortgage, utilities, phone bills, insurance, and subscriptions. Step 3. Move on to your variable expenses. These are things that change a little month to month, like groceries, fuel, takeout, coffee runs, entertainment, and personal care. Now here's a step most people forget. Savings is an expense too, and it should be treated like one. Decide on a small amount you can realistically set aside, even if it is just $25 a week, and write that in as a non-negotiable. Then total up all your expenses and subtract them from your monthly income. This will show you where you stand. If you're in the negative, don't worry. This is normal when starting out. It just means you'll need to adjust, maybe cut back on dining out, pause a few subscriptions, or reduce some flexible spending. The goal is to get as close to zero or positive as possible. The beauty of budgeting is that it's not set in stone. It evolves with you. Your first budget won't be perfect, and it doesn't need to be. What matters is that you start. You'll get better each month. Think of this first version as a rough sketch, and with time, it'll become a masterpiece that truly reflects your life and your priorities. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself. It's about giving every dollar a job. Whether that job is paying rent, saving for a trip, building your emergency fund, or just giving yourself peace of mind, it all starts here with a plan. So if you followed along today, take a moment to celebrate. You just created your very first budget. And that's a powerful move. In our next video, we'll break down a more advanced system called zero-based budgeting, where every single dollar gets assigned a purpose. So there's no more guessing and no more waste. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Moneytraq for more practical, step-by-step guidance to take control of your money and your future. Because here, every dollar truly counts.